Hello everyone, this is a short video to show how you can link assignments. So you will go to the APHIS tools and I'm in my 073 course. You will see the CLOs listed here already and you need to do just this one time. We call it the hamburger sign. So click on it and you have to click on assignments. So what it does is it loads all the assignments that are in your course. And this is important for you to do one time for each course, each section. So all your assignments get loaded and it takes some time. Once the assignments get loaded, we are going to do the next step. It's taking some time because it is loading all the assignments that are in the course, so bear with this. All right, so we have all the assignments loaded here and you can see several assignments. Then you go back to the same hamburger sign and this time you are going to do assignment linking. And once again, it's kind of pulling all the assignments. So just give it a few minutes. So now you do see the CLOs on this side. And since I did some linking in the previous semester, it's kind of carried over. But if I were to start fresh from the beginning, so this is my first CLO, Communicate Information on a Variety of Topics. And you click on this pencil sign here, and that'll take you to the next page. And this is how you link your assignments. Once you decide what assignments go to which CLO, for example, I may pick something here, week 2 speaking, reading aloud, and I say I want to link, and you will see the weights for these things change. And this is just for APHIS. You do not have to worry about that. And this is important. So as a unit, we can decide our mastery could be 80% and proficient could be 70%. And this doesn't matter. We can push it all the way up to, once we set this, this is all set. And now that I have linked a couple of course assignments, as you can see here, you need to check them, whatever assignments you want, and then those are the ones you're linking for that particular CLO. Once you've done that, don't forget to save. So you save it. And it'll say success, the assignment linking was successful, and all of the assignments that I linked are showing up here. Now, if I'm not happy with what I did, you can go back and unlink some of these and link something else. And then you go to the next CLO and do the same thing until, you can link all of your CLOs to different assignments in the course. So that's all there is to linking. That's about it.